Okay guys, just a quick update on the shop. As you can see, I've got my torch area set up. Again, it still looks all jumbled and cluttered, but I do have my glass shelf up. I just have to keep moving stuff around because I don't have any place to put it, and it's been raining on and off, so I have to keep everything under here. But that will be the official recycling station. As you can see, that stuff is still up there. This is actually going to be my pour area. When I get done tearing all that out, underneath there is all scrap. Over here is more scrap. Out there is more scrap. And I just found something that I had been looking for a while and just gave up on. A long time ago, I don't know if you see these guys, but these are all marked. That's all lead. That's all lead. That's lead. More lead. Years back, see, I have them just to show you that this is not a new thing. I used to get these guys all the time. Those are old lead wheel weights. And look what I just found. I just found probably 1,000 pounds worth of lead that I have to process. So these were already all melted up, and that's all we had to pour them in back in the day. It didn't have no molds or nothing. But so in the process of trying to clean up another area, I found some more stuff to work on. So like I said, as you can see, this is going to be, now this is where I'm going to put my stuff to be worked on. This is actually going to be my working bench right here. You see the frame coming out. I got to finish it. On that back wall over there, we're going to do our shelves, and then we're basically going to do our chemical storage on these shelves over here. But I just wanted to show you. I know it really doesn't look all that different from the last video, but we do have the torch area. We do have the white shelving up that I cut out from the cabinets. So the glass has all got a place to go now. Like I said, I'm just having to move everything back and forth because there's nowhere to put it. But I am going to be working on this area today. I'm going to get this bench built. My vise, my grinding wheel, things like that are going to go here. And then this will be my processing area. So all this stuff will be the stuff that I have to work on. And as you can see out there, there's a bunch more scrap to be messed with. And now I have to deal with all this lead. So I figured I'd just give you a quick update. We're not moving real fast. Les's stuff is still up there. And it's been there almost, oh, we're getting close to 3 weeks, possibly 4 weeks. I have to look at a date. I think I put it out on the 2nd. So it's about 3 weeks. There's still some metal in there, so we're still going. I have not had time to mess with the fingers that I started, but I also haven't been stirring them up very good, so they're not quite coming off like they should. I'm going to have to actually probably put them in a bucket. But anyway, you see a bunch of silver plate stuff down there. I don't know if you can pick it out of the mess, but there's a whole bunch of silver plate stuff to be worked on. Anyhow, I'm going to get back to it. I just wanted to check in with you guys again, let you know that I was alive and still going. So we will see you all in the next video.